All right, guys, today we're going to be unboxing this LamPick smoothie blender. It is very powerful. It has a lot of functions. It's multifunctional. It comes with this 2 BPA free bottles, and we're going to test it on today's smoothie. It's going to be a banana berry protein smoothie, just in time. I am getting in shape. I'm starting to run again, so this is going to be perfect for me. And we're just gonna go ahead and unbox it. Relatively simple to use. It has those suction cups so it doesn't move, and we're just gonna plug this into power right now, and then we'll get all our ingredients for our smoothie. So I did have one before, but it wasn't this brand, and I'm pretty excited because the old one already died and it didn't really last that long. So here we go. We got some milk, and we're gonna go ahead and just pour it in here. And we're going to put some banana as well. One banana will do just fine. This is a meal replacement that I do when I work out or I'm trying to eat healthy. So I got those frozen berries in there. Got some protein powder as well. And I'm going to just end up blending this. Later I put a little bit of ice in here as well. It just gives it a little bit cooler, chiller taste. So, but put it to your liking. And here we go. We're just going to go ahead and zip this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and this thing will be ready to go. As you can see, it's changing color and it's pretty much ready to drink. And I'm liking the simplicity of this blender here, and I think you'll like it too. So it's pretty cool. It converts into a blender bottle after you go ahead and blend it. So that's pretty cool. It's convenient, you know. So I'm going to put this off to the side, and we're going to give this smoothie a try. All right, let's go ahead and pop that open. Give it a little swig here. That is so delicious, guys. Dang, hopefully this video helped you guys decide whether you want this blender or not. I would say I recommend it. I'm happy.